Question 2, part 1, IAB and IAC. Here's AB. So we can split it up here if we want to. Let's do it like that. So first of all, if we think about this distance here, and for this one, we've got this distance here, haven't we? So we've got to be careful about these two segments of area. So IAB will equal, for this segment here, the I for AB on this rectangle is 12 AB cubed. Now A would be 12, wouldn't it? Times 10 cubed. Times, sorry, 2, isn't it? 2 cubed. Okay, plus A times H squared. So that would be, the area of this segment is 12 times 2, 24. Times the distance is 1 squared. Plus, now the thing for this area here would be 1/12 times the distance here, parallel 2, times B. Now this is 10, so B is 10 cubed. So that's that, plus the area, 2 10s are 20, is the area for this segment here, 20, times the distance between this and this, which is 2 and 5 is 7. So what do we end up with then? 8, 24, 6, 3, 5, 500 over 3, plus 49, 98 tens is 980. So we've got 980, 1004, 1012, plus 166 and 2/3, which is 101178 and 2/3. And that's IAB. Now AC, let's have a look at that. So for AC, let's use these two segments again, but we're coming down this way now. So we're looking at this one. So what's I for this rectangle here? It would be 1/12. A, which is 10, times B, which is 2 cubed, plus area, 2 10s are 20, times H, which is the distance here, which is 1 squared. That's that one. Plus, now this one here, this one would be 1/12. A is 2 this time, times B, which is 12 cubed. 12 plus A, the area of this is 12, 2 to 24, times the distance between these two is 6 squared. Okay, I think that's that. So we need to tap that in a calculator, I think. Probably the best thing to do. So I'll just put this over here so we can see the whole sum. So what have we got? This is 8. So this would be 2/3. So we got 20 over 3 plus 20 plus 12 squared times 2 is 144. plus 24 times 6 squared. Okay. 24 times 6 squared, which is 36. Okay, so we got 20 over 3 plus 20 plus 144 plus 24 times 36, wasn't it? 1034. 1034. I get 3104 over 3. 3104 over 3. Now I'm going to double check that because it's different from the answer in the book, but the answer in the book is identical to what we had before. And in actual fact it should be, shouldn't it? Because there's symmetry. From this picture there is symmetry, so it should be the same. So let's see where we went wrong then. So IAC. So this one would be half. So let's just do it again. So I'm going to scratch this now and see what we get. See what's different. Okay? Because I made a mistake. So IAC would be this one, which is 1/12. A, which is 10, times B, which is 2 cubed, plus area. Now this would be 2 10s are 20, times the distance, which has to be 1 squared, plus, now this one would be, so this one's right. Anyway, let's move on to this one. So it's again it's a 12th. AB cubed. So here A would be 2. B would be 12 cubed, right? Plus, okay, so that looks like 288 there. So plus area, and this one is 12 times 2 is 24, times the distance is 6 squared, which is 36. So it looks like this 12 over that squared is 144, 288 here. 288. Okay, so that one's that. So that might have been the error. This is 20, and this one looks like 5. Let's just do it again. 6, 3, 20 over 3. So I reckon that's that. So if I just add on one more 144, so answer plus 144, and I go to that. 1178 and 2/3. That's it, that's what we wanted to have. So that was the little glitch there. So let's just put that in. 1178, 2/3. It's the same because it's symmetry. It had to be the same that way and that way because the shape is symmetrical from both perspectives.